Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll unmask the process of tracking content approval status in Monday.com. Let's get started. The first step is to log into your Monday.com account. Now, the reason we do this is simple: to gain access to your workspace and tasks. Next, navigate to the My Week section. This is where you'll see a summary of all your tasks and deadlines. It's the central hub of your operations. Now that we've done that, let's move on to the board view. Click on a specific task that needs approval. This helps us because it allows us to monitor the status of each task in real time, ensuring we stay on top of our work. Here comes the interesting bit. On clicking the task, you'll see a drop-down list. Select the Waiting for Approval option. The reason we do this is to flag the content that's up for approval. It helps in streamlining the workflow and keeping all stakeholders updated. Once you've done this, a new column will appear with the label Waiting for Approval. This column will display the team members who need to approve the content. Whenever a team member approves, their profile picture will pop up next to the task. It's important because it gives a visual representation of the approval process, and you can easily see who's given the green light and who hasn't. Finally, you may want to set up notifications to stay updated about the approval status of your content. Just head over to the bell icon at the top right corner and set up your preferences. It's a great way to make sure you're always in the loop. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can efficiently track content approval status in Monday.com. Remember, the key is to stay organized and use these tools to your advantage. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep tracking.